morning.
How are all you?
Good.
Awesome. So today's objective is to find key information in word problems. So in the handout that I've created, you'll see the 7 steps to solving word problems and the problem itself. So the first step is to read the problem until you understand it. Laura, can you please read the problem for us?
Yes. Michael gave half of his stamps to Carla. Carla gave a quarter of the stamps given to her to Samantha and kept the remaining 12. How many stamps did Michael start with?
Perfect. Thank you very much. So does the problem make sense?
Yes. Yep.
Awesome. So now we're going to move on to the second step, which is to underline keywords and phrases. Arasis, can you tell me which key phrases you see?
Michael gave 1/2 of his stamps to Carla. Carla gave 1/4 of the stamps given to her to Samantha and kept the remaining 12.
Perfect.
Mr. Foster, I thought Samantha kept the remaining 12.
Very good question, Casey. So we're going to read it again. So remember, first step, we're going to read it until we understand it. So Carla gave 1/4 of the stamps given to her to Samantha and kept the remaining 12. So that "and" is Carla's action. So it doesn't say Samantha kept the remaining 12. Carla did. Makes sense, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. So now we're going to go to the third step, which is to make an illustration. And this is going to help us make sense of it. So watch, Casey. So Michael, C for Carla, and S for Samantha. So Joel, can you please give me the important information?
Yes. Michael gave half.
Uh-huh.
Carla gave a quarter
Yep.
and kept 12.
And kept 12. Perfect. So I'm going to put that right here. Put a little asterisk. So it's very important. So now we're going to write an equation for the problem. So first things first, if Carla gave 1/4 of her stamps to Samantha, how many does she have?
3/4.
Yes. Great. So this is our equation, right? This is the original number of stamps she has times 3/4 equals 12. So to find that number, we're going to work backwards. Makes it easier. So we're going to do the inverse. So 4/3, that's the reciprocal, times 12 equals the original number of stamps. So Laura, can you simplify that for us?
Yes, that's 48/3.
Perfect. Thank you. And Rosses, what does that equal?
16.
Great. So Carla originally had 16 stamps. So now we're also going to continue working backward. So we're continuing to solve the problem, step number 5. So if we did the reciprocal, what do we do now, Casey?
Times 16 by 2.
Yes, so 16 times 2 is what, Laura?
32.
Perfect. So Michael originally started with 32 stamps. So we showed our work, but now we have to check our answer. So Michael has 32 stamps. He gives half of them to Carla. 32 divided by 2 is?
16.
Perfect. And Carla gave 1/4 of her 16 stamps to Samantha. How many did she give to Samantha?
4.
Perfect. And 16 minus 4 is?
12.
Awesome. And now we have our answer. So now that we solved the problem, we're going to sing a little rap song that I made so we can remember the 7 steps. So put your hands in the air if you want to solve that problem right there. 1, read as much as I need. 2, underline important words that I observe. 3, draw a picture to make it clearer. 4, make an equation, no hesitation. 5, solve the problem, no problem. 6, my work is shown, did it all on my own. 7, I'ma double check that my work's correct. And now we know all 7 steps. Woo! Class dismissed.